Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntu omnyama. Mina ngithatha ihlangothi. I'm not here to pick sides. Angikho la ukutshena ukuthi votelani ungavoteli ini. Umdala kumele ngabe uyazazi by now. I'm not here ukuzokushumayeza ngikutshena ama-achievement ukuthi wenzani. No, angiyena umfundisi wakho. I'm here to tell you the truth. Because somehow balifihla iqiniso from wena. Ukuthi wenzani with lo qiniso engitshena lona, you decide. So, South Africa had a problem. And Julius Malema might be the solution. Angazi, when was he? La South Africa, country yethu, over 12 million black people are unemployed. La South Africa, over 57% of youth is unemployed. La South Africa spend 20 million rands on our luxury goods for our holy bitch, our minister, our president, our premier. And in La South Africa, abantu bethu are suffering from load shedding. Let's not forget ukuthi abaholi bethu ama-ministers spend over 1 billion rands in corruption. Bayidla imali ekumele ithuthukise umuntu omnyama. And then uJulius Malema always asks one question. Ubuza umbuzo wodwa. Ulale udleni izolo? Because that's the most important question. Kukhona ukudla efrijini? If kukhona, congratulations. You phila with 1% rich. Some people abanakho ukudla. Who to blame besides our leaders ethu? Immediate land expropriation without compensation. Lalela, let's not forget, because of abelungu namabhunu, because of iLand Act, otatamkhulu bethu baphucwa indawo yabo. Okhokho bethu baphucwa indawo zabo. Njengamanje sihlala kuyindawo whereby asikwazi ukutshala, asikwazi ukuba nemfuyo. Njengamanje sihlala kuyindawo awukwazi ngisho nokungcwaba egcekeni. Akuyona impilo leyo. Awazi amathuna akini uthakephi, amathuna otatamkhulu uzongcwatshelwa esigangeni njengosikhotheni. Lalela, immediate land expropriation without compensation. Asingabakhokheli asibaphuca iland. Nationalization of ama-banks nama-mines. You'd be surprised ukuthi imali eflowayo iSouth Africa yonke icishe ifike ku-200 million. Kodwa kulo 200 million umuntu omnyama